In today's video, I will teach you how to create an image dispersion effect in Photopea. Let's get started. First, launch Photopea and open the image that you want to edit by going to File, then Open. In the Layers panel, right-click on your image layer and select Duplicate Layer. Then rename the duplicated layer to Subject and the original to Background. Now hide the background layer by clicking the eye icon next to it. Now use the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar and press Select Subject in the top menu. And once selected, click on the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. This isolates your subject from the background. Now right-click the subject layer and select Duplicate Layer. Then name the duplicate Dispersion. Then select the Dispersion's layer's Layer Mask thumbnail. Then go to the Brush tool in the toolbar. Then set the brush to a splatter or particle-like brush for the dispersion effect. If you don't have such brushes, search for splatter brushes and load them into Photopea. Now paint over the parts of the subject where you want the dispersion to occur. Then use black as the brush color to mask those areas, revealing the background. Then switch the brush color to white to bring back parts of the subject. Now click the dispersion layer, then go to Filter, Liquify, and use the Forward Warp tool to drag parts of the image outward, creating a dispersion effect. Then click OK when satisfied. Then return to the dispersion layer mask, then use a smaller particle brush with black to refine the dispersion. Then switch the brush color to white to bring back parts of the subject if needed. Then add a new blank layer by clicking the Add New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then use the brush tool with the low opacity soft brush to paint subtle shadows or highlights around the dispersed areas for a cohesive look. Now unhide the background layer and adjust its opacity or apply gradient overlay for a dynamic look. And once you're happy with the dispersion effect, save your work by going to File, then Export As, then choose your desired format. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.